I think it's been a great event this time around. We've grown from 1 day to 2 days, and that's allowed us to showcase a much larger range of the projects that the researchers have been working on. And I think what's really come out today is the great depth and breadth of activities that they've been covering and the impact that they're starting to create. And hopefully we've been able to start showcasing what happens next with those projects and how do they go about creating impact from their work.
Interesting. This is my first time joining the Researchers in Residence showcase, and it's an opportunity to hear about projects that are very diverse, very different to what I might usually do, and that it's interesting to hear people working on different aspects. In my case, it's engineering, but I have been hearing things related to health or to manufacturing, and it's giving me a different perspective.
It's been fab. It's been absolutely amazing to hear all of the fantastic stories from the researchers and residents and the projects that have come out of working with the Catapults and all the impacts they've achieved. It's just been really great to see how bringing kind of academia and industry together really helps kind of drive that innovation forward.